Why is it so hot in here? Can you open the window?
My AC is out. You're gonna have to rough it, cause I'm not about to mess up my hair.
We have to do something, cause I'm melting faster than a banana split. Why are you driving so slow?
Because I'm a Sunday driver.
Well, stop by Fred Martin Service Department. I have a coupon for an AC recharge.
Where did you get a coupon?
Under service specials on their website.
Well, I hope nothing else breaks because of this rocky road.
That joke was so vanilla.
I prefer more Neapolitan.
Get your vehicle serviced this summer at the Fred Martin Service Department. We have an open appointment waiting for you. You can go online and schedule it, then drop off your vehicle or we'll pick it up. And you can follow your progress by text message. We service all makes and models. You always get more at Fred Martin Superstore.